So many persons have actually asked me how they can buy Wikicat. So in this video, I'm going to show you step one to the final step on how to buy Wikicat. Mind you that the method I'm going to show you in this video is not just the only way to buy Wikicat, but is the easiest for you and the one that I suggest for you. So if you want to buy Wikicat and you are not willing to follow this video that I'm going to make, please feel free to follow your own choice. And whatever thing that comes out of it, please also do not disturb me with it. Okay, so let's dive into it. The first thing you will do is go to Play Store and download the SMC DAO self-custodial wallet, which is what? Which is PeniWallet. So we search for what? PeniWallet on the Android Play Store. For those using iPhone, you already know the store you guys normally download your stuffs from. So this is PeniWallet app. So we search it. Right? Now PeniWallet is out. What are we going to do? We are going to click on what? We are going to click on install. So we click here. Is now what? Is now installing. As you can see, 7%, this. So once it is done, then we'll now go to what? We'll now go to the next step. So for now, PeniWallet is what? Downloading. So now we are done downloading what? PeniWallet. So what is the next step? The next step is to what? Click on open. So we click open. Now our PeniWallet is doing what? Is opening. So we click on allow. So as you can see, this is the interface. So you click on get started. Now look at where we are. It's a terms of service, privacy policy. So you can actually take your time to read these terms of service and policy and privacy policy. So aside that, you have two options here. Either to create a new wallet or or you add an existing wallet. So for first timers, we are going to click on what? Create new wallet. So first of all, it will ask you to set your password. So this is 12345 6. So it is a 6-letter password. So I'm going to choose 12345 6. It will ask me to confirm the code. I will now do again 12345 6. Remember, what you put the first time should be what you put the second time. So it is asking me whether I want to enable fingerprint. For security purposes, please do not enable your fingerprint, because if you are living with some morons and some con artists in your house, they can actually use your thumb to unlock your wallet while you are asleep. Okay, so we are going to skip it. We are not going to enable the fingerprint feature on our PeniWallet. So our wallet has been created successfully. So we click on what? Continue. Now look at how the interface looks like, right? As you can see, the first things or the first tokens you will see here are 1. Wikicat, 2. Theta USD, and 3. BNB. So that is one thing we are supposed to do. And make sure that while you are creating your wallet, you have a book beside you. Look at my own book. And what is this book for? This book is for you to write down your what? Your PeniWallet secret phrase, because that is what you are going to use to restore your wallet whenever your device is lost or your wallet is mistakenly deactivated. So what are we going to do? He said click here to find a recovery phrase. So that is where we are going to click so that we can actually write it down. And as you can see, he said your seed phrase is the only way to recover your wallet. Do not let anyone see your seed phrase. Never share your seed phrase with anyone. This is just a warning. Okay, so it is assumed that I have had this warning and you yourself have had it. I will now click on this. I will not share my secret phrase with anyone, including PeniWallet. I will now click continue. So it will now ask me for them to give me access to the wallet. Down my password that I set while we are creating the wallet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom. Look at our secret phrase. So what am I going to do next? What I'm going to do next is that I'm going to copy it the way it is here. So number one here is choice and number two is refuse. I go down to my book and write what? PeniWallet. Right? Number one is choice. Right? And number two is what? Number two is what? Refuse. So this is how I'm going to copy it till the number 12th. So as you can see, I am done copying my seed phrase. And it is not just I am done with mouth. Look at my seed phrase here. Look at it here, right? Okay. So what is the next thing? Now that I have copied my seed phrase, I will now go back. So assuming I want to rename this wallet, maybe there is a project I want to do with any Wikicat I'm going to put on this wallet or any other BNB based token. I'll just click here. What? Let's say Japa. Let's say I want to invest in Wikicat so that when it grows, I will use it to do my visa and Japa out of the country. So I will name this wallet Japa, right? Now I will now come back. So I have successfully created my wallet and look at where it is. So I can actually access my wallet from here, type my password, and boom, my wallet is open. As you can see, look at Japa. That is the name of my wallet. So with this same method, I can create multiple wallets on this same what? Same PeniWallet. So now if I want to create another wallet, I will now hit add wallet. You understand? And I will now just do what? Create a new wallet. So I can name this one now building project. Building project. So let's say this is the Wikicat that I am investing so that when it grows, I will actually build a house either for myself or for my parents. I will now click on continue. So as you can see now, this is another wallet inside this same trust wallet, right? So I can go back to the Japa wallet if I like or if I want. Now that is that. Now that I want to buy Wikicat, there are two ways. You can actually use BNB to swap to Wikicat or use USDT to swap to Wikicat. Currently, swapping BNB to Wikicat is a bit difficult because there is something Wikicat community and PeniWallet community are working behind the scenes to actually see that that problem that occurs when you want to swap your BNB to Wikicat is sorted out. So in the meantime and always, I suggest you always use USDT BEP20. So now you want to swap or want to buy Wikicat. So the first thing you should do is what? Fund this your PeniWallet with USDT. As you can see, when you open your PeniWallet, this is the USDT wallet. So you open it. When you open it, you click here on receive. Now you now copy what? Your wallet address. So you can source USDT BEP20 from either two sources. Either you have USDT BEP20 from an exchange like Binance, KuCoin, and the rest of them, or a vendor is going to sell USDT to you. So if that vendor is sending USDT to you, this is the wallet address you copy and send to the vendor, right? And when you send it to the vendor, after sending the address, type another message and label this wallet USDT BEP20. Now, if you have USDT on an exchange, you already know how to do your withdrawal. You get? Now that your PeniWallet is funded with USDT, what are you going to do? You go to this swap section. Look at it. It said swapping from. Swapping from. Select token. You click here and you choose USDT. And swapping to. That is here. You select token and select what? Wikicat. Now on this side is the quantity of USDT you want to swap. So let's assume you are swapping 200 USDT. So immediately you put 200 USDT, it is going to do an automatic calculation for you and show you the quantity of Wikicat that it can actually fetch you. So for instance, $200 is fetching us what? 6.55 billion pieces of Wikicat. So you will now click on preview swap. So you will now see the details of the swap. You are swapping $200 worth of USDT and it is going to give you 6.55 billion Wikicat, which is valued at $189, which means you're almost paying $10 for this transaction. Anyway, $10 is costly for a BNB based token. But I think all these things boil down to the problem that PeniWallet is having, which will be sorted whenever they push out an update for PeniWallet. So stay tuned across all social media platforms for announcements. So now you have confirmed this and you're okay with it. You just click on what? You just click on swap. Once you click on swap, so long as you have money, bam, you have actually bought your what? Wikicat. As simple as ABC. Now remember, it is not just enough to buy Wikicat. Are you ready to wait? Not just waiting, are you also willing and have the technical know-how to actually secure your Wikicat by keeping what? Your PeniWallet and your device, which is your phone, safe? Anyway, I have shown you just in 3 or 4 steps how to buy Wikicat. And I know that this is going a long way to stop all of the questions across my videos and comments. Please, how do I buy? Where do I buy? I have given you the trick and the what and everything you need to know. So good luck unpacking your Wikicat. Remember, 1 billion Wikicat today is around $33, and in the nearest future, it can cost you up to $29,000 to buy 1 billion tokens of Wikicat. This is not a financial advice. This is just for educational purposes. Okay. Thanks and God bless you from yours, Ozonia, the best crypto tutor in Africa.